Hello from Galveston. Today we're going to talk about salvaging your family heirlooms that are made of wood, like antique furniture. So the first thing to remember is that if your furniture has been sitting in water, the wood will have absorbed all of that water. Wood items are a little different from paper and photographs where you're trying to dry them quickly. With wood, you really want to slow and control the drying process, otherwise it could crack. So when it's absorbed all the water, your wood is going to be heavier, your chair is going to be heavier than normal. So don't lift it by the top, or if this had arms, don't lift it by the arms. Lift it by the most stable point, which on a chair is the seat. If it has any upholstery, it's a good idea to remove that upholstery. You can always have it reupholstered, you can always put new fabric on, but if mold and stuff sets in, that's more dangerous to your health and you're more likely to save the whole chair. This is one that was in Hurricane Ike, and you can see we haven't gotten around to reupholstering it yet, so we're right there with you. Now for these, after you've pulled it out of the water, you're going to want to take a towel and wet it in clean water with a little bit of soap and just try to brush off as much of the debris and mud and yucky water as you can. And then, like I said, we're going to try to control the drying process. So you're not going to want to put this in direct sunlight, for an example. That may be your first impulse to just try to get it dry, but it's actually better if it dries slowly. One other thing to remember with antique furniture, a lot of times they have some sort of veneer on the outside, and the glue in that veneer, once it gets wet, a lot of times it'll just dissolve. So those veneers will start peeling and popping up. So that's fine, don't panic. If you can peel them off completely, then wrap that veneer in a paper towel and set it underneath something heavy to keep it flat. It's like the upholstery, you can always reattach it later.